Hey everybody, welcome to Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. Today we are going to do butterscotch bars. And they're supposed to be chewy butterscotch bars. So, first off, we are going to use a 9x9 or 8x8, whatever you have. Mine is a 9x9. Oops. We'll spray that good, or you can put parchment paper down, whatever you want. So, we got that in our bowl. I am going to put in brown sugar, which is 1 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Since we're doing butterscotch, we want to use the brown sugar. And butter, I have 1 stick of butter, so 1/2 cup of butter. And we're going to use some maple flavoring. I've got a teaspoon here of maple extract. Make sure we get all that. And then we're going to mix that all together. If you watch the butterscotch cookies, that is my favorite cookie ever. So I was like, oh, we got to try this. Butterscotch brownies or bars, yeah. And guys, I don't know if you know, Bill had eyelid surgery because his eyelids was down and he couldn't see. It was down on top of his eyelashes. So doctor sent him to a surgeon and he had that done Monday. Today is Friday. So you want to come around and show them what you look like? So in case anybody ever wants to have it done. Now, I will say he has not been taking any pain medicine. He took 3 or 4 pain pills, and that was it. And then he's swelled, his cheeks are swelled. He's got a little bruising going on right there. But he said he can already see better. And the swelling was good yesterday, but he hasn't been up too long. But it looks like his cheeks are starting to swell. And that's normal. But he said no pain, right?
No.
What he complains about is the gunk in his eyes. So if anybody has any questions on that, we'll be willing to answer them. I'm going to put up a video of each day progress for about 7 days. I'm going to make it one video. And that will be on the other channel probably. Bill Smith Sr. is on the other channel if anybody wants to go over there. It's just a fun channel. I mean, if that's fun, but...
Yeah, not too much fun.
Alright, so we got that. Now we're going to be in 2 eggs. For 1. Whoops. Get it on me. And 2. Eggs in our area, Southern Ohio, are starting to come down. So that's a good thing. Instead of $8.89 for 18, I think I gave 7 something. And see my shirt I made the other day? Kind of cool for us. I posted on Facebook and then people were wanting to order them, so I got some to make. Okay, so we got the eggs in, and now the dry ingredients. We are going to stir in those, it says. So we're not going to use this anymore. Get that out of here before I mess it up. So the dry ingredients is 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. So there is a 1/2 cup. And now a 1 cup, so 1 1/2 cups. And this is still what I use, the Hudson cream.
Yeah, if you use that, you don't have to sift it, right?
Right. It's already all sifted. A teaspoon of baking powder. Put that in. And then just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to sprinkle some in here. Should have used my electric one back there. Okay, so we're just going to stir all this up. And then we're going to put in some pecans. So I'll put in about 3/4 cup of pecans. Stir those in after I get this all mixed up.
Well, that's got to be good.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to stir in 3/4 cup of pecans. And I have some butterscotch chips. So why not? Put some of them in there. That was probably about 1/2 cup maybe. And if you want, you can put some chocolate chips in there. But, you know, I'm not a fan of the chocolate. So we're making butterscotch bars. All coming together. How many minutes are we on that? Oh, can you see?
6:34.
So 6 minutes and 34 seconds, and it's all coming together. We didn't even pause. So straight video, guys. Oven is 350 degrees. And we're going to leave it in there for at least 30 minutes and then check it to see if it's done. So here we go. And these are bars, so they're, you know, they're thick. The batter's thick, but they probably won't be real thick when you pull them out. So yummy.
Smells good.
Yeah, that maple. All right, press these down in there. Okay. All right, there's what we look like right now. So we're going in 350 degree oven, 30 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, guys, the butterscotch bars was in the oven for 30 minutes, exactly in my oven, okay? I got a little piece out here. Haven't tasted it yet. I know I'm going to love it. I do love it. So good, guys. Look at my little smiley face. Hobby Lobby, $1 and something. Couldn't pass it up. Anything smiley. Okay, then they had different colors. They had purple and pink. In case anybody wants to go there this week, they're 40% off. All right, so like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Butterscotch bars. Chewy butterscotch bars. Yummy.